Oh, too late now. You lost it.
Yeah.
I was natural, now it's put on.
Is it when we used to have like one of those shoulder cams that's just like always
all the time.
Like a pirate.
Yeah, always.
Oh, the chest cam.
I don't like half-cooked chickens, bro.
What do you mean?
If you know, you know.
Good afternoon and welcome back. We're off on a hell of an adventure. We're taking the rx7 on the longest drive it's been. Got the laptop with me if I need to do any bit of tuning on the way, because goddamn I'm sure I will. It's running a bit rich there already, but we are off to Black Label. It's the day before. Got a pre-meet with a couple of the boys and then another one to go to afterwards. Good bit of marketing. You gotta push your brand. If you're not gonna push your brand, who is, eh? But yeah, off to get some fuel now, then off to catch up with the boys. Definitely the longest drive the car's had. We're going into the city after all of this. It's a nice rowdy car to take into the city. It's a hot day. Air temps are sitting at 34 already, and I reckon they're going to stay about there. But yeah, should be a bit of fun. I mean, really just to experience this car out and about. Get everyone to do a little bit of a tune-up. She's running way too rich at steady acceleration at 100 k's, and I need to sort that out. We're basically sitting at 10.9, so yeah, let's get this sorted. Just put some fuel in it as well. Turns out we nearly ran out. I put 48 litres in it. I assume it's a 50 litre tank, so we were pretty much sitting on zero, which was so close to being a balls up. But yeah, let's get this sorted and keep going. I don't like this situation on the side of the freeway working on this, but I didn't want to keep driving with how much fuel I've got in it. Alright, now just leave the laptop plugged in, 3000. Just bring some fuel out there. Should be good. Better than I expected. We're just about at RPM now. What a car! Actually drives really good on the freeway. The front wheels might need a bit of a toe out. It's a little bit light, but yeah, it drives really nice. We got here, the temps didn't get too bad. I've seen 89 degrees at highest. Actually now we're idling, it's got down to 83, so the fan should switch off. But yeah, she's treating me well. Let's go see the boys.
Rules my shot, bro. As soon as I got to my car, the lights turned off.
Is he going to do this?
Go!
The only one without the mouse, me.
What the fuck is it not turning on?
Oh, they're not going to turn on, I don't reckon.
Oh no, he said go and turn on the lights. He said
really?
go. 2 minutes later, he's still walking straight.
Just film and film. The concentration, eh?
I feel like he's fucking with him.
I don't know what he's doing, eh? I don't know, who knows?
Bro, I don't think he can hear you, bro.
Here we are.
Fuck, that looks sick though.
What's going on, Paddy?
Just trying to, film,
Yeah?
trying to concentrate. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten.
Yeah, what do you want to eat?
It's been 2 days. I need Macca's, man. Something.
Yeah,
Some
cool.
food.
I remembered I meant to do the whole YouTube thing, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, here we are. We've got some Sydney boys.
One of the looms, for the indicators in the front bar.
Do yours not have it?
Nah, I do, but I use the, you know how the normal ones are just full orange? Yeah, these are from 180s, so then
they're fucking pig-nosed ones.
I have the loom, but I can't.
Oh. No, you did. Now it's just started filming.
Oh, too late now. You lost it.
Yeah.
I was natural, now it's put
Is
on.
it when we used to have like one of those shoulder cams that's just like always
all the time.
Like a pirate.
Yeah, always.
Oh, the chest cam, right?
Yeah, little like...
Pop it around your titties. It's like right there.
Oh yeah, actually
Those-
it's funny.
Good morning. Good morning. So it's the day of Black Label. We're up in, not that high in Melbourne, but we're up in Melbourne. Checked into a hotel late last night. Probably got in here, I want to say about 4 o'clock, and me and one of the boys had a bit of Hennessy together. Maybe got to sleep at 5. Nearly 10 o'clock now. Ready to go get some breakfast. Go see what the show's all about. It was a bit of a, I wouldn't say a shit show. It was just a bit of a nightmare checking in last night. There was just a lot going on. Nice little garden over there on the top of their roof. All sorts going on over there. But yeah, it was just a bit messy. A lot of cars going everywhere, a lot of bloody people trying to coordinate the situation. I don't think they expected so many cars to check in at midnight. But yeah, we got the cars in. The rx7 got there pretty faultlessly. Used a little bit of fuel. Got told she shoots some big flames on diesel, but still part of the day. Pretty exciting. Let's get into it. See what the day's got for us. Setup day. We're all here ready to go. Car's set up. The door's bloody ajar. Don't know what's going on there. Got my coffee. Can't shut a door. All the boys' cars are ready. Don't know whose I should open up. We'll see who turns up, see what happens. But yeah, got the camera crew out. Really should just get out of the way. Have a bit of a walk around. Might as well chuck this as a bit of a time lapse. We'll just get a bit of film, chuck some music over it. Fuck anyway.
Nah, I'm gorgeous, man.
Yeah, stunning man.
Stunning, man. Any defects on my face?
Mine's fucked up at the
Well,
moment.
speaking of defects.
True. It's weird to see it with Minerva's, eh?
Yeah, she got done.
Did she?
Yeah, defected for being too
Oh yeah, in the window.
Yeah.
Well, for fucking just low.
Too low and tyres.
Yeah.
I don't see how, they're not protruding the guts.
Yeah, but you never know. The cop just pissed off, eh?
Yeah, but like, seriously.
Yeah, true. Nah, maybe because they're stretched.
It's not stretch bar.
True. I don't know.
That's just the lid. I've
Pissed
seen,
off cop.
I've seen more fucking stretch cocks.
Right, everything's on bags, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's
I know.
alright.
I need bags.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think
I don't like them, eh?
I don't like them, but when I was in the RB14, it was actually comfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mate, you want them?
I think so.
I like that, but not bags. Just,
Such a nice colour, though.
it is a stunning colour.
What colour is it?
It nearly looks like it's 14 green, doesn't it?
It does, but
Oh, it'd be like BMW or something.
it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Gong hei, fat choy.
What was it? Juk tuk no moi.
Was that one?
Hey.
Test.
Hi.
Hey. I'm so glad I got ordered my wagon.
Attention, just a reminder, please do not turn on
I like
your
the
engines for the
Evo
duration.
I like them too, they're tough, but they're just not a good daily.
When they're done right.
You know what? Black, no good. White's nice.
Yeah. White or red.
Yeah.
But the Evo red's fucking shit. The face
And silver looks shit.
Yeah.
What do you reckon of the fucking, the lights?
High visibility vests
Nice.
now. Thank you.
Hey, we can take a vest off.
No, I untucked it from my house, you know.
That's right. See, this is more me. Fucking, just a wild race car.
Oh, that is sick.
That's good, eh?
What is that?
Yeah.
Proper track.
Bro, I'd love to fucking take that out for a fresh, eh?
Yeah, I'd love to fang it around Winton just once or twice.
See, white looks better, but not roof racks and shit.
Yeah, but if you got on snowboarding
Yeah,
and shit, bro, which I think
The boot's so small as well in them.
Yeah.
Because it's just a standard boot.
That'd be
There he is.
180, but love it.
Yeah.
Can't change that.
You do? There's too small at the front.
Yeah, the fronts are shit.
Yeah.
The rears are a good size.
This front bumper really buzzes me out. What do you reckon, Vic?
That's a different-
This is not your style, I know.
That is
Not
nice,
fan of
though.
wide body, eh?
Nah, neither.
Fuck, that's a wide. I didn't even notice, but that's a small wide body,
It's-
right?
I'm not sure about the, you know how they've deleted the actual number plate?
Yeah, I don't like it. It looks too smooth for me.
It looks
That's
looks
a nice,
weird, eh?
that's actually a nice
It's also, the bumper doesn't have the insert for the line, and that
Yeah.
buzzes me out.
I like it though. It's different.
I like it. The only thing I would want is like to make this sort of more seamless.
And it
What
need,
fenders are these? You know?
you know,
don't know. I don't know fucking body kits, man.
no, but this is fine.
That-
But no,
That's the
yeah,
right yellow.
I love it. If I ever had a RX7, it has to be either red or yellow. So
The bonnet, I just don't like that style.
yeah, but that's fucking
That's for that car, it's right, I know. That's you, man.
maybe a bit of a chum there.
The Accord,
Yeah, that's fine.
good daily.
Is that an Odyssey?
No, that's an Accord, that's your car, man. But in a wagon,
What?
the sports wagon.
I didn't know it came like that.
Makes you want one?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
Bro, I've never seen it before.
it's like an Odyssey had sex with your car. Fucking wild, eh?
That's the first time I've actually liked something like that.
I like Porsches, man, no matter what.
Yeah.
Is your dream? Have you driven one yet?
No.
Adrian doesn't have one? What do you,
Yeah, I don't know.
so white like that beats the fucking green for me.
Yeah, I don't like the green. The whole green is the only Porsche I don't like.
I'd
But
li-
when it's on like,
That works.
when it's on the black, it's nice. Like black rims and that. I don't like the bronze rims on it. If I
Nah.
had those on it.
Yeah, this looks perfect though, man. Simple, easy. I didn't have a look at Dennis's fucking E30. You leaking?
Oh, probably am actually. Wouldn't be surprised.
Did it make it alright? Drive okay?
Do we have to do the trades onto our car? Mine's definitely going to be leaking.
Do you care?
Huh?
You care?
Nah. That's just going to drive off.
It looks stupid.
Don't worry, no one's gonna see it, man.
Right now I look like I'm not an entrant.
You fucked up last night not getting a bend. Don't worry about it, put it back.
I know, man.
It's not your problem when it leaks. Yeah,
How does that not get defected though?
he drives it too.
I mean, like, what's the difference between that and like a hot rod? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I still love 86s.
I don't like mismatch though.
Nah. It's like too drift spec
Yeah.
on video games for me. Oh, we got Recaro seats.
Fuck, that's strange, Booth.
Yeah. Just a bit of everything, I reckon, huh?
Yeah.
I enjoy them.
Why? Oh,
Oh, I'm so hungry, man. Really, like, actually, the cars are actually pretty clean here. Other than like I'm cold
what about that? Fucking cone on the bonnet?
Why?
What is a vlog? I see the mic.
Marketing.
Relax, relax, as PPF, okay. Can I sit on it? I'll squat on it.
That's nice though, that colour.
I love that color. I love pastel colors on them. Oh, yeah.
Is that like an off-the-shelf colour?
I'm not too sure. I know you can do custom paint. And
Yeah.
It's like 30 grand.
Man, this is
I've
massive.
already priced up my Porsche.
Yeah, 500?
450k.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Fucking
Brand new though.
yeah.
One day.
One day I won't need 2 kidneys and I can just do it.
I thought we were all just buying fucking black Civics with underglow.
Well, I'll do it. You know, back in the day, my MSN name used to be Mr. Civic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you ever own one?
Huh?
Do you ever own a Civic?
I went to buy one, but I didn't.
Shook's still sitting up.
Yeah.
is my favourite car here, hands down.
The GDR?
Hands down.
Is it actually a GDR?
No,
or?
I don't think so.
I don't know what that symbol means. It's nice with the LXs in it. Oh. Yeah, he's there in the middle.
Oh.
There he is, the man of the hour.
Just one time at band camp, I stuck a flute up Pat's butt. And my butt is my pussy.
He didn't even notice. He just ignored you perfectly.
He got me perfect last night.
Did he?
I was squatting taking a video and like he did like a push up to get low and he full ball cut me and I fell down. And as I'm on the floor, Nicole came and she's like, I'm a teabag, yeah. And she hopped over my face and I'm like, oh my god. Then Vanera grabbed me by my ankles and started dragging me across the floor.
Fuck, I didn't see any of this.
I was like, fuck, nah, this is all inside the shed.
Yeah, just weird, wonderful stuff. I wouldn't fit.
I'd like to see Vanera's big mate. Kate. I don't know his name. I forget his name.
I don't, yeah, that's why I wasn't even going to question. Don't include that. I'll just leave, don't include, I don't remember names.
Yeah, I don't remember names. Adelaide.
To me, the standout car is this E30, man.
This E30?
Yeah, that's
nice. Is that original? It's not.
Nah. Some wild kits. That's alright, doesn't matter what we say now. I'm going to have to put music over this anyway so I don't get copyrighted.
Yeah. What's the same colour as Peter's car?
Dark, richer.
Is that the colour he's going?
I don't know.
I think he's going the new Mazda red.
Look how wide it is though, man. Like,
I don't know, bro. All the bodies gonna come.
yeah?
I love Subies, man, but fuck.
I've just never been a Subi person.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the square 90s fucking blue Subaru, you know?
Yeah.
Those were sick.
That's a, oh, he's awake. He's moving in there.
I see something.
The precision wipes, it's fucking into it. Fucking no one's even looking that close anyway, eh?
Look at this piece of shit.
Wow, that's that. We made it home. The car actually performed pretty much faultlessly on the drive home. She got a little bit warm though. Got up to 94 degrees water temp. Actually cruising speed. It seems the radiator's just not coping that well. I've got a feeling it's just because of the shroud. I might have to put some like rubber flaps on or something so when it's actually moving it breathes through. I'm cooking. The air temp was bloody hot, still hot. Probably 35 degrees at the moment. So I'm going to go home, hide in the aircon and yeah, just relax. But yeah, the car performed well, started up whenever it needed to. I managed to tune it a little bit more and it rips. It goes bloody well. It was good showing it off to everyone. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of footage there, a bit of shit talking. But yeah, it was a fun weekend. Didn't do a lot of filming. Again, filming in public, it's not my forte, so just a quick easy one. But hopefully over the next couple of weeks we'll get into a bit more fab work, a bit more building, especially on a couple of customer cars I've got here. A couple of people requested to do a bit of filming on their cars, so I might just do a video combining a lot. Let me know guys, what do you want to see? Because I'm not sure anymore. I don't have a lot with my own cars going on, especially focusing on the business side of things, so you definitely let me know. Yeah, chuck us a like, maybe even put some comments down below and share it around your friends. Show my channel to everyone for me. Enjoy.